Va, va, vroom. It's time for vivacious vocab. Va, va, vroom. Va, va, vroom. It's time for vivacious vocab. Hi there, friends. Are you ready to become articulate with Articulate Annie today? You are? Well, great, because I am super ready to help you become articulate just like me, Articulate Annie. Did you know articulate means that you speak with big grown-up words? Today, I'm going to teach you a big grown-up word. This word is a super cool word. It starts with the letter A. It has 4-syllable beats. Are you ready? Wait for it. Wait for it. Drum roll, please. Accelerate. Accelerate means to go faster and faster and faster. Sometimes you're in a vehicle when you accelerate. One time, I was in my mommy's car and the light turned red. So she stopped the car and then all of a sudden, the traffic light turned green. And my mommy accelerated the car. She put her foot on the gas and she slowly started moving, and then she accelerated and she got faster and faster and faster and faster and faster, and then we were on the highway and it was super duper fast. But I had my seatbelt on, so I know that I was keeping my body safe and sound. Another time I was on my bicycle at the park and I came upon a hill. So I started to ride my bike down the hill. And my bike started to go faster and faster and faster and faster. I could feel it accelerate. My bike was accelerating down the hill. Yes, it was a little bit scary, but I was okay, because once I got down the hill, I was able to regain control of my bike. One time I was on a train at the train park. Choo-choo! Choo-choo! I love going on the train at the train park. It's one of my favorite activities to do. I like to sit right up front and right next to the train engineer, and I like to listen for the train accelerating. It starts off going a little bit slow, and then it goes faster and faster and faster, and the train conductor or the train engineer, he accelerates the train and it goes really fast around the tracks, and it's super fun. My hair blows back and I feel so free when the train is accelerating. Can you think of a time when you noticed something accelerate? Something that started off a little bit slow and then it went faster and faster and faster and faster and faster. Accelerate. That's the word, accelerate. It means to go faster and faster, to speed something up. Have you ever been on a roller coaster before? Those are pretty fun, but also a little bit scary. The part that feels scary to me is when the roller coaster gets to a hill and the roller coaster starts going down the hill slowly and then it accelerates. It's so scary, but so super fun at the same time. When the roller coaster accelerates, it goes super fast. Can you think about the word accelerate today? And maybe you could use the word accelerate in a sentence with your special grown-up or brother or sister. Okay, friends, let's sing the Va-Va Vroom goodbye song. Va-Va Vroom, Va-Va Vroom, goodbye to vivacious vocab. Va-Va Vroom, Va-Va Vroom, goodbye to vivacious vocab. See you next time.